When you try to do these one take things, it just doesn't all work, folks. You're gonna get to see me warts and all. Hello everybody, it's Cindy, and I'm going to attempt to actually do this without any cuts because it's late at night, I'm tired, I really want to open my Boxycharm, but since I'm doing unboxing videos, I have to wait until I'm on camera. So as you can tell, this is the end of a very, very long work day. I'm coming to you in front of my vanity as well. If everything looks so low tech, I did the best I could with the lighting in the room, but this is literally the only place I have to film. That isn't a complete wreck in my house. But yeah, as you see from the title, I got my Boxycharm today. I already said that I was gonna try and go too long because I didn't get home until 9 from work, and my husband's been dealing with our renovation for most of the day and moving stuff back around and all of that. So I just didn't want to put on a whole lot of makeup, but I still wanted to open my Boxycharm. It is the 6th of August, and this is literally the earliest in the month I have ever received my Boxycharm, ever. It usually doesn't come until like around the 10th or the 11th. Well, it's getting to me a whole week early. So hey, way to go, Boxycharm. Got my August 2019 Boxycharm. If you don't know about Boxycharm, they are a makeup subscription service. Chances are, if you're watching this video, you already know who Boxycharm is, but you know, pay $21 a month for this box, except for the months that they have Boxy Luxe. That's an extra 29 bucks, somewhere in there. It ends up bringing the box to around $49 if you get one of the big goodie ones. But it is $21 a month. You get 5 full-size products, and it's pretty awesome. So I have not really looked at any of the spoilers on this. I'm starting to get better about doing that. I do know that there's a possibility of getting a mascara. It's a new thing from, is it Tarte? I don't know. It's a new mascara that's kind of out and I guess claims to be like 16-hour wear or something. You know, given my record with Boxycharm, I don't actually expect to get the mascara, but it'll be very nice if I get it, because it'll be nice to try it. I'm a mascara fiend, and I'm always trying to find the next big mascara, and especially if it's waterproof. I need waterproof. Definitely need waterproof. So anyway, I'm ready, you're ready, so let's go. They actually brought this box to my door too this month, so I'll let you look before I get to look. Ooh, I don't see any eyeshadow palettes, and that's okay. Oh no, but I think they're eyeshadows. Ooh. The theme is totally Boxycharm, so I don't know. We've got a Valley Girl theme this month. Since I dropped it, we'll go with this first. I've got the Steve Laurent lip liner in, I don't know what shade this is. We'll find it. Vogue? I think that's the shade. Does it say what it is? Yeah. So it says reshape, resize, and redefine your pout. This lip pencil is total magic. Do these guys like just, okay. All right, I'll trust them. It's total magic. It smooths over your lip lines for seamless and flawless finish, completely waterproof. Ooh, that would be nice. I hope so. So no transferring or bleeding all day long, and it lasts up to 7 hours. So we're gonna have to test this out and see if Steve Laurent puts his money where his mouth is. Or his money where your mouth is? Is that how that works? I don't know. Okay, so the retail price on that is $15. So I'm guessing that this is probably the cheapest thing out of the box. I am going to go ahead and open this. It looks like it's a nice, oh, I don't know here. I don't know what color. I guess that would be a mauve, maybe? All right, here we go. All right. Now, y'all know I'm not usually a lip liner person. Oh, okay. I don't know what you would call this. It's probably a mauve. Like a rose. Yeah, that went on nice enough. So now I am going to go ahead and open this puppy up. I guess I did get what I wanted, finally. This is the Tarte Big Ego Mascara. And it says, let your lashes be full of themselves. Okay, let's read the little card on it. Not that we all like to, you know, hear me go on and on. Ooh, like it. Short and sweet and to the point. Tarte is the Big Ego Mascara, an ultra matte black. An ultra black. See, when you try to do these one take things, it just doesn't all work, folks. You're going to get to see me warts and all this time, because I would like to actually get a Boxycharm video up before the end of the month. I still have not posted my July one. It's been kind of ready, but not there. And I've just been way too swamped to finish it. So you might see them back to back. But yeah, since I'm going to try and be a one-take Cindy today, we're not gonna edit that out. You get to see all of my mouth fluffs and blunders and whatnot. Okay, so the Tarte Big Ego Mascara, an ultra black vegan mascara that lifts your lashes and delivers a fully loaded flutter for up to 16 hours. Now, if you're going to start telling me 16 hours, you better tell me this is waterproof, because if it isn't waterproof, it ain't lasting on this face for 16 hours. All right. It says whether or not it's waterproof inside. Ooh, now look at that. That is definitely making a bold statement with these hot pinks. And now I'm starting to see the whole totally Boxycharm theme here. So, holy cow. And this has like it's a very sturdy container. It feels like a metallic container. It's smoother, but it does remind me of the heft, like the same heft that the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara has. I might actually have it right here. Yeah, actually this is a little bit heavier than that, but it still has kind of like that same metallic feel to it. The only thing is that this one's a little bit shinier. This one is definitely, they tried to go for more of a matte color, but here you go. You can see that. So, all right. So I'm very excited to try that. We'll see if it actually stays on my face. The retail price on the Tarte Big Ego Mascara is $23. I'm gonna go ahead and pick this because these look so beautiful, and it looks like we've got two of them here. So we did get a palette from Ace Beauty. It's a cute little palette. But yeah, we've got some Ace Beauty eyeshadows here. It says Glimmer eyeshadow. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch these really quickly. This pink one it looks so adorable. It looks like it's to die for. Okay, there's that on my finger. And so that you're watching me. Ooh, it's very soft. I don't know if I should dip in a little bit more. I mean, yeah, you can see that. I mean, I'm sorry. I'm not a pro, folks. I don't have the pro camera or anything, but that is like, I can't like express how pretty that is in person. Like, I don't think the camera's ever going to pick it up until I get a decent camera, you know. That's not going to happen for a while. And then there's this, so this one is, ooh, the pink one that I really like here is, and I think I just got that all over my white shirt, you know. You know, when you wear white, you're just asking for the world to mess with you, right? Right? Am I right, folks? Okay, so the Ace Beauty Glimmer Eyeshadow in Cotton Candy. This is absolutely adorable. I love this color, and I'm going to definitely try and do this, use it. Okay, so, and this one is in Iced Latte. So you can kind of see that. It looks more gold to me than latte, though. Well, okay, I guess I can see a brownish to it. Let me go ahead and get my finger swatch there. Yeah, see, that's definitely more of like a coppery gold, or yeah. And that's almost similar to one of the colors that we already received in the palette. But you know what? That is almost like a rose gold, though. I see like a pink, like I can't quite convey it on here, but I see kind of like a pink fleck, a little bit of a pinkiness to the Iced Latte one. All right, so those are pretty. I'm I'm looking forward to using those. So the Ace Beauty Glimmer Glimmer Shadow Duo, and it claims to provide bold color in one swipe without fallout, creasing, or fading. We'll have to see if it lives up to that. Claim. So we'll have to see. All right. Now here's where I'm curious. I'm assuming that the Duo is the price that they've got listed here. It says it has a retail value of $25. It does not say $25 each. It just says $25. Okay. So I'm going to assume that they're like $12.50 each then, or that they come in a package together. I don't know, but that's, what we got. So those are $25. All right. And, so the next thing I see here, Boxycharm's had an awful lot of pink themes this year, I feel like. Because they had La Vie en Rose, and then there was the other one that kind of had to do with pinky stuff. Like, they put a lot of pink stuff in the box. So, I mean, we've got obviously that's kind of what this totally thing is going for here with the pink. Because we've got the pink Ace Beauty, we got the pink super bright pink mascara, and now we've got a pink Wander product. I'm guessing that pink is pretty much the theme of the box here, but we have the Wander Beauty Glow Ahead Illuminating Face Oil. I'll kind of get up on here maybe. Ooh, I think my light's starting to crap out on me. That's not good. Okay, so there we go. And you know what? While I've got it down, I might as well just show off yeah, that shows a lot better. So the Wander Beauty, I'm not a big Wander Beauty fan, I'll be honest. I still have that eyeshadow palette, so I'm okay with that. And I really liked the eye masks we got last year. I do like those, and that I would probably be a repeat purchaser of that. But I am now getting rid of the Wander Beauty peel-off mask that we got earlier this year. And I'm not a big fan of the mascara. I know a lot of people like that, but if it's not waterproof, it ain't worth it to me. So, it says that this multitasking beauty elixir instantly hydrates and absorbs into the skin, revealing a bouncy, youthful complexion, no matter what skin type you have. The lightweight, powerful formula nourishes and primes the skin and helps to restore skin's moisture barrier while providing a youthful glow. The spill-proof dropper allows you to use it one drop at a time. Okay, well, that looks nice. I'm not a big face oil person, but we'll have to try it. It looks like does have a expiration date of 12 months. I've got face oils, I've got skin creams open, so it'll be a very long time probably before I try this. Ooh, that's a little bit loose. Retail price of that is $42. Wander Beauty, you keep trying to be something that I don't think you are. Okay. All right. Well, I mean, I guess the girl's got to know her value, huh? Right? Except, I don't know, you might have a little overinflated view of yourself. Okay, and finally, this is the star of the box. I do remember now seeing about the Becca powder, and I'm excited because I have I think a smaller sample size of this, and I was almost out of it. So this is the Hydra Mist Set and Refresh Powder. I know Becca is very well known for both highlighters and their powders. And I can tell you, I really do enjoy the powder that I have from them. It says Set and Chill, an ultra translucent, refreshing powder that dusts on like a mist and sets makeup to help extend wear. It's formulated with 50% water. This powder makes skin look awakened and fresh upon application. Apply throughout the day to refresh and rejuvenate makeup, ideal for all skin tones. So there isn't like a So is this just like translucent? Ideal for everybody. I guess it's translucent. Yeah. Yeah, that's really nice. Yeah, that's very nice. There's that. There's that. It's pretty. I'm excited to try that. And let's look at the price on that. Those are pretty expensive, aren't they? I think they're pretty pricey. Are you kidding me? Okay, we'll talk in a minute. Oh, it's got water and glycerin in it. Okay, they say the powder creates a mist-like sensation on the skin for a seamless finish and a comfortable feel. Alrighty then. Well, the retail price on the Becca Hydra Mist and Refresh Powder is $39. So that means that this itty-bitty Wander Beauty face oil is the most expensive thing in the box this month. Wah, wah. You know, I'm happy enough to try all of these. I guess that just goes to show you that it doesn't take having high price tag to create something of value. And I think our box values have kind of maybe gone down in the last couple of months, but the thing is I've actually been happier with the products that I've been getting, just because, you know, something doesn't have to be overpriced if it's just a good product, or if they just pick the products that you're actually going to use. What's the use of having a really expensive product if it's not a type of product that you use? Like, for example, those Cover FX drops. I know it's very expensive. I know people lust after it, but it's totally unusable to me. So when we got that in the box, I was just, I mean, the value of the box went up, but you know, can I really use it? So yes, so now is the time for me to go ahead and calculate everything up in my brain, and I believe that is $144 if my math is correct. It's $144 is the value of my box. I think I forgot to mention what variation I got. Oh, there is no variation on here. Oh, yep, there we go. I had variation 2. That was tough to find. They hid that little heart this time, huh? So yeah, the total value of my box was $144. Am I happy with the box? Well, you know, we've got a powder that I use. I do think these are absolutely darling. So I'm excited to try that. I am excited to try the mascara, the face oil, the lip liner, you know, so I'm sure I'll use them eventually. I just, there's probably a lot more products here that I'm actually going to use, as opposed to throwing yet another eyeshadow palette at me that looks very similar to every other eyeshadow palette I've ever gotten. So, if I were to rate the box, it'd probably be a 3 out of 5, just because I'm probably going to be excited about using 3 out of the 5 products that we got. But I'm also still pretty happy, and you know, I might even give this a half, because I'm probably definitely going to use this. It's going to be a while before I use this, and I'm not a big face oil fan. That has been my Boxycharm unboxing for the month of August 2019. If you like what you see, feel free to give me a thumbs up. If you like to subscribe, I'd love to have you. No pressure. If you also want to follow me, you can follow me on Instagram and Twitter. Until then, have a great day, evening, weekend, whenever you're watching this. Thank you so much for joining me. Bye.